Hello. Today let us have the chapter graphs. How to draw the graph of an equation other than linear equation. In the last class, you have learned how to draw the graph of a linear equation. And today, let me show you how to draw the graph of the equation y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square is the equation. The highest power of the variable is 2. So this is a quadratic equation, not the linear equation. An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is a linear equation. But here the power of this variable is 2. So this is not a linear equation. How to draw the graph of this equation? Y is equal to x square. Okay. We have to take, if x equal to 1, what is the value of y? If x equal to 2, what is the value of y? And so on. Okay. Let me take first. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 square, that is 1. Okay. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 square, that is 4. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 square, that is 9. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 square, that is 16. And if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 square, that is 16. Sorry, 25. 5 square is 25. So, in order to show the graph of y equal to x square, I have taken the values of x as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the corresponding values of y are 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. In order to avoid confusion, let me write these values of x and y in a tabular form. Okay. X, y. X values we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values we got 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Now our graph sheet is ready. We have to take, this is the horizontal line, x-axis, horizontal vertical line is y dash over y is y-axis. Now, let us take the values 1, 2, 3, 4 on in x-axis. Before doing that, taking that, you have to take the scale. Scale is very important for graphs. In x-axis, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 are there in our graph. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we take 2, let us think that these all are 1 cm boxes. 1 square cm boxes. If you take 2 cm as 1 unit, whether it we can or not, we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Our graph sheet is not sufficient. So let us take in x-axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit. And see y-axis. Y-axis up to 25 are there. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 25 is not possible. That means we have to take the scale as, if you take 1 cm as 2 units, it will be okay. In y-axis, 1 cm equal to 2 units. Okay. So let me name now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, up to 25 enough. If you want, you can write. Okay. Now we have to plot the points. Taking the values of x as x coordinate and taking the values of y as y coordinate, we have to plot the points. Your first point is 1, 1. X coordinate 1, y coordinate here 2 is there. 1 means just middle of this. Okay. I have plotted a point. And next point is 2, 4. X coordinate is 2, Y coordinate is 4. This point. Next, X is 3, Y is 9. X coordinate 3, Y coordinate 9. 9 means in between 8 and 10. Okay? You see children, the points how I am plotting. Then X coordinate is 4, Y coordinate is 16. That is here. Next, X coordinate is 5, Y coordinate is 25. 25 is in between 24 and 25. I hope this is clear to you. How I have joined the how I have plotted the points. Now, can we join these all points by using the scale? By using the scale, can we join? No. These points are not in a line. Let me join one by one and move from the first to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth. Okay? And what graph we got? We got a curved graph. Maybe I have not done properly, children. On the board it is a little difficult for me. Okay? Okay. So when we joined all these points, we got a curved graph. That means, what did you understand from this? If you draw the graph of a linear equation, we get a straight line graph, and if it is, the equation is other than the linear equation, that means if the highest power of the variable of the equation is other than 1, we get curved graphs. Okay? That's why linear equations are said to be equation of straight line. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. With this, our graph chapter is done. I hope in 3 parts I have done. Please go through them and try to make it clear and start doing the exercise. Thank you.